everybody, welcome to Dryer Days Art Studio. I'm Catherine and I'm so happy to have you here. And I'm sorry I'm not sorry for more coasters. I am obsessed with making these right now, if you couldn't tell. Thank God someone asked me to do a custom geode piece that I'm gonna have to start this weekend, but these are a custom coaster order, and I wanted to share with you all in just this really quick video. These are the agate round silicone molds that I made these out of. And I did design that little coffee mug there too. If anybody's interested in one of those, let me know. So as you can see here, I'm going to be using the gold leaf by Just For You Online UK. I'm going to be using some of the gold metallic pigment from Just For You Online UK, which comes in a set with some silver. I'm going to use Lorez White and Lorez Midnight Black. All of these products you can find down in the description of the video with links to buy. All of the Just For You Online UK products you can find in my store, www.dryerdaysartstudio.com. If you're in the US, I am their USA stockist and very proud to be serving you with their stuff. Any of the other items I'm using, like the silicone stick over there to the right, the gloves, the little Dixie cups, my heat gun, any of those items you can find in my Amazon store, which is also linked below. That's www.amazon.com/shop/dryerdays. I am an Amazon affiliate, so anything you are able to purchase through my store or the links provided does help support my channel, so thank you so much for that. As I said, this is going to be a quick video just kind of showing you my technique of how I made these. I'm going to be publishing another video in a couple days of some more coasters where I go a little bit more in depth, but you can catch my previous, I think it's 3 videos now of other coasters that I've made if you'd like a little bit more of an explanation. This is that gold metallic. It's just stunningly beautiful. The silver that goes with this too. I can't say enough about them. They're just gorgeous. And like I said, they do come in a set. Those are in my store right now. I have a couple on hand. Once again, these are the agate round silicone molds. You can get them in individuals or sets of 4. As you'll see here, I will come in with my heat gun and just lightly hit these a little bit with low heat. Low heat. You do not want to bring a torch near these or any silicone molds. They will singe the mold. They will cause the mold to adhere to the resin. You'll have trouble pulling your mold out. And I'm just using some tweezers that I actually got in one of my little kits that I have in my Amazon store. I bought these cabochon molds to make magnets and clear cabochons, and these tweezers actually come in that kit, and I've gotten a couple of them because I like to make a lot of cabochons at one time, so I have several sets of these little tweezers, and they really come in handy with the gold leaf. And as I lay them down, they just lay right down on top of the resin. Works beautifully. You get so much gold leaf in these containers. It's unreal. They also have a silver leaf too from Just For You Online UK, and both of those are available in my store, once again, if you're inside the United States. The reason I really like those silicone sticks is because you can really get them down deep into the resin, onto the surface of that silicone mold underneath, and they will not scratch the mold, so that's very important. Getting ready to demold here, I am putting gloves on because I know that I'm probably going to do a clear coat over top, and I don't want any oils from my hand to get on this mold. So that's the underside. White is very, very heavy. White is probably the heaviest pigment. So you can see there where it just really sank to the bottom. With these molds, I'm planning on using what you see here. The bottom, if you will, is going to be the top. As you can see there again too, big white splotch from that heavy white pigmented resin. Had a couple little scratchy areas that I just am lightly sanding off. Since I know I'm going to do a clear coat on these, it's okay if that surface gets a little bit scuffed because that clear coat at the end will smooth that out. Using my paint marker to finish the edges. And I did do that clear coat, and after they are all cured, here they are. Again, this is a custom order for a lovely lady, Jennifer, who found me over on Instagram. You can feel free to DM me over there. If you are interested in a custom order, you can leave me a message in the comments. Look at that gold metallic in there, just gorgeous. Hope you all enjoyed this quick little video. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And until next time, keep on pouring.